Have you seen these viral ASMR videos on TikTok that get millions of views all without showing a face? What if I told you you could make the exact same videos for free using AI? I was just scrolling through TikTok and then I saw this one ASMR video. It had millions of views. So I clicked on the profile and guess what? Every single video had insane views. 7 million, 5 million, 3 million, even 1 million views. I thought to myself, people are watching these faceless videos out and making thousands of dollars every month. How are they doing this? So I started searching on YouTube how to make ASMR videos using AI, and boom, I found out about a powerful AI tool called VEO3. It's made by Google. And yes, some say you need to pay to use it, but I didn't stop there. I did some deep research, and guess what? I found a trick to use VEO3 for free. I found the exact formula that these viral creators are using, and I'm gonna show you how to do the same thing step by step. In this video, you'll learn how to use VEO3 without spending a single dollar, how to make professional viral ASMR videos, and how to do it all from your phone or laptop. No face, no voice, no camera needed. So whether VEO3 is available in your country or not, I'll show you both ways to create these viral ASMR videos, totally free. So stay with me till the end, because I'm going to reveal every step. Let's get started. So let's start. And here's some good news for you. If you already have access to VEO3, then making ASMR videos will be super easy for you. But here's something even better. I have a special bundle for you. It includes 348 ready-made ASMR videos that you can post right now on your TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. You'll find the download link in the description below. Just click on it and you'll see a page like this. There, you can instantly download all 348 ASMR Reels in just one click. It's super simple and you can start uploading them today. So if you want to grow your account fast without showing your face or recording anything, this bundle will save you a lot of time. Now, to start creating your ASMR video, you'll need a VEO3 account. It only takes a few minutes. I've put the link in the description, click on it, and you'll see a simple interface. Now let me walk you through exactly how it works. Once you click the link in the description, you'll see a simple interface. Now here's the trick. To use VEO3 completely free, you need to sign up with a student plan, and that means using an .edu email. But don't worry, you don't need to be a real student and you don't need to pay for anything. Here's what you do. Go to Google and type edu email generator. Click the first website that comes up. I've also added the link in the video description below to make it easy for you. On that website, you'll see a simple form. Just fill it out and it will give you a free .edu email. Copy that email and then go back to the VEO3 website. Paste the .edu email in the sign-up box and click on Verify. Now go back to the edu email generator site. Scroll down and you'll see a message inbox with your verification code. Copy the code, go back to the VEO3 page and paste it. Click Verify and boom. Once you paste the verification code and click Verify, hit the Continue button. Now you'll see a new interface. It may ask you to add a card or connect your PayPal account. But don't worry, no money will be charged. Here's what to do. You can use any card, and even a virtual one. Just add the card, activate the plan, and then remove the card right after. That's exactly what I did. Once you activate your student plan, you'll see options like Go to Gemini Pro, Upgrade Successful, Access to Pro Features. Now here's something important. You might have heard of VEO2, the older version. But we're using VEO3, which is much better and more powerful. Once your account is ready, go to this website, Flow.lab.google.com. You'll see an interface like this. Here's what to do next. Open ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs or All GPTs. In the search bar, type ASMR videos, click on any tool related to ASMR content. Now in the chat box, type any food or object name you want to turn into a video, like cutting watermelon or slicing tomato. Then hit enter. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a prompt. This is what we'll use to generate your video. Now go back to flow.lab.google.com, click on New Project. On the right side, select Text to Video. You'll see 3 dots near the first video box. Click those dots and choose the VEO3 beta model. Now paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT, click the arrow or the generate button, and your ASMR video will be created in seconds. As you can see, the video looks really good, but right now it doesn't have any sound effects, and it's not 100% complete yet. Don't worry, we'll fix that. Go back to ChatGPT again, paste the same prompt you used before, Now ChatGPT will ask you, do you have an image for this prompt? Just say yes. Then ChatGPT will start generating an image for your video. In a few seconds, your image will be ready. Download that image. Now go back to Flow.lab.google.com again. This time, choose Frame to Video from the top options. Upload the image you just downloaded. Use the same settings as before. Paste the exact same prompt you used earlier. Now click the Generate button, and that's it. Your final polished ASMR video is ready with visuals and sound effects. You can repeat this same method to make unlimited videos and grow your page fast. I've also added a bundle of ready-to-use ASMR videos in the description below. Make sure to check it out. You can post them on your social media and your page can go viral too. Let's now preview the final video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next amazing video.